zines are sort of related to books, but I would not always call them books.
I'd call them books.
I wouldn't always call them books because some of my zines are just like one sheet of paper folded in half, and I guess that's a book.
Like this one.
Yeah, like that one. Yeah, these zines here are mostly printer paper. This one's not, even though it looks like it is. But actually, that one might be just Walmart cardstock. Zines are sort of related to the idea of self-publishing and just making something that you can reproduce from the comfort of your own living room. Make sure an adult does the cutting.
Kids, don't try this at home. Actually try this at home.
Yeah.
They're fun. And then you basically just
Perfect. And then, yeah, you can write something.
draw something.
Yeah. And then just like that.
Got a book. Got a zine.